I hope everyone is having a lovely day. My name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I put a poll over on my Instagram story the other day of what look you guys would want to see next, and it was either a glam everyday look or a colourful creative look, and obviously you guys chose the colourful and creative look. So today I thought I would try and tackle a recreation of Colour This Face, and I'll put the look beside so you guys can see. Obviously very detailed, colourful, creative, and I think it's going to be quite a long one as well. So I'm going to be recreating that look today. If you're interested, then please continue watching. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows and I've also prepped my eyelids using the BeautyBay base, and now I'm going to go in with the BeautyBay Bright Matte palette, and I think I'm going to be using this palette for the whole look, but if I do change it, I obviously will let you guys know. So I'm first going to start to blend a pink shade into like a red, orange, then yellow, just this like first half of the crease kind of going up towards my eyebrow. I'm going to do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that we have the desired blend, and please ignore about the black because I am just going to cut underneath that, so it looks a bit messy on the underneath. But now I'm going to cut the crease and kind of go up towards the eyebrow. So I'll do that and then we'll be back. Okay, so now I have cut the crease, I'm now going to go in with some shadow and finish the cut crease. So I'm going to go in with some green and then blue and purple, and I'm just going to do the blend and then I'll show you guys before I cut the crease again. Okay, I'm actually so annoyed with myself because I completely forgot to film the blend for this part. I'm actually so sorry, but here we have it, and now I'm just going to cut the rest of the crease and also use BeautyBay base just to clean that up before we go on to the next step. Okay, so I have cut the crease, well, the first cut crease, and now I'm going to go in with the pastels palette and start to go on to the second cut crease. So we're going to be going from blue up into like a tealy shade, into green, yellow, orange, and then pink, all pastel shades, just like across where I've already done the cut crease. So I'll be back after I've done that blend. Okay, so I have done that pastel cut crease, and now I'm just going to cut it and then again prep the rest of the lid with the BeautyBay base. Okay, so I've cut the crease and I've also just put a white base down on kind of that circular bit of my eye, and now I'm going to go in with all the rainbow shades. So it's going to go from blue to green, yellow, orange, red, just in that circular shape, and then I will be back before we add some eyeliner and also do a little bit sorry, and also do a little bit in this area as well. Okay, so I've added the bright colourful shadow to this circular area, and also I've done the little triangle. I thought I might as well. I'm just going to peel these off because I thought it might be satisfying. There we go. So now that the shadow is all done, I'm going to go into our liners. So I'm going to take a dark purple kind of liner and do this circular bit and then also around that little triangle, and I'm going to do that on both sides. And then after I've done the purple liner, I'm going to go in with my pastel liners and start to do kind of the squiggly bits around the pastel cut crease that I've done. I'll put the photo on screen so you guys can see because I don't think my explanation is very good, but I'm going to be taking some pastel liners from Suva Beauty, Glisten Cosmetics and Fly High Beauty. So a mixture of those. I will put all of the products that I use in the description down below so you guys can see. But I'm going to be taking a load of different pastel liners and kind of do squiggly lines around the pastel cut crease. So that may take a little while, so I'll do little snippets of it and then I'll be back after I've done all of the liner. Okay, so I haven't gotten onto the liner yet, but I did just add some bright pigments onto this kind of circle area there and also here, and I just think that it made the whole look pop. So I've gone in with some pigments from Unicorn Cosmetics and Fly High Beauty. Again, I'll put all of it in the description down below, but I just thought I'd show you that I've added some of these really bright pigments. And now I'm going to go onto the liner. Okay, so quite a while later I have finished the liner. So I've just gone over it a few times to get that pigment in, but I'm actually obsessed with this look. It has really tested me, but I absolutely love it. I am now just going to do all of my face makeup and I'm going to pop on some lashes. I will let you know at the end what style the lashes are. They're probably going to be from Unicorn Cosmetics as they're my favourite lashes. But yeah, I'm going to do some of that and then I'll be back to show you the final look. Okay, so I have used the Unicorn Cosmetics Majestic AF lashes and some NYX Cosmetics soft matte lip cream on my lips, and also did all of my face routine, the same as what I do in all of my makeup videos, and I'll obviously put all the products in the description down below. But here we have the finished look. I'm actually obsessed with this. This look really tested me and took me about 3.5 hours. But yeah, so here is the final look. Now I will do a close-up video at the end so you guys can see it properly. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. And as always, please make sure that you like, subscribe and comment. And also check out my Instagram at EmmaFordXO. And I will see you guys in the next video.